Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to show you how to make avocado toast bread with sunny side up. So let's start. Here is the ingredients that I'm going to use. 1 avocado, 1 egg, 2 slices of brown bread. You can use a white bread or whatever bread you like, and salt, some chili flakes, black pepper, and some butter and some oil. So let's start. Here I have 1 avocado, so I'm going to cut it. Okay, going to take seed out. Okay, now take a bowl to take all the avocado using a spoon. Take this out as well. Now I'm using a fork and mash it. Need to mash it slowly. So I mashed it like this. Now the next step is, now pan is hot. I'm going to add some oil, half teaspoon of oil, and spread all around the pan. And after this, I'm going to add egg. Make sure the gas flame is on low heat. Now I'm going to add some pinch of salt and some black pepper and some chili flakes. Chili flakes is optional. I always like the spicy food, so that's why I'm adding these chili flakes. So now we're gonna leave it for 1 minute or 2 minutes. While the eggs is ready, I'm going to toast this bread. Or if you don't want to toast, you can use it straight, put a butter on it, but I'm going to toast it. So our bread is toasted. Now I'm going to butter on it. Here, going to the butter. In the same way, going to butter on the other bread piece. Okay, now it's ready, and I'm going to put this mashed avocado on top of this. Now I'm going to, as you can see, My sunny side up eggs is also ready. So slowly I'm going to take it out. And then I'm going to put on top of it. Now our avocado toast bread and sunny side up is ready to serve. You can serve it like this, or you can just leave it like this. It's whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next time. Bye bye.